TV, and all the pizza I could eat. Does it get any better than this?
Hello, soldier. You've been recruited for a secret mission. We're going back in time. We just need to get past this impenetrable gate.
From the Academy Award-winning producer of Shrek.
Take us to the first Thanksgiving. Our mission is not to save 10 turkeys,
Welcome to our home.
but all of them. Me?
On November 1st.
I'm a lone wolf, S.A.
What?
El Solo Lobo.
I think the space turkey has gone crazy.
Hang on to your nuggets.
For the fly!
Yes.
Those are some angry birds.
Free Birds.
It was the space turkey.
Rated PG. In theaters November 1st.